Good morning, children. I am Leela Miss. Now I am going to take mathematics class 4 children. Are you ready with your textbook, notebook and pencil? Okay, I hope you are ready. Then today I am going to take a word problem, page number 35. All of you take textbook page number 35. There is a question, no? A super fast bus. Did you see? Yes, I will read. A superfast bus starting from Bengaluru at 22:15 hours reaches Kannur at 6:45 the next morning. How much time does the trip take? But you read the question again. Two or three times you read the question, especially word problem. Then the bus started from Bengaluru at 22:15 hours. That means that is in 24-hour clock time. No, 22:15 means that is not 12-hour clock time, 24-hour clock time. Then we can convert it into our 12-hour clock time. You look here, superfast bus, page number 35. Bus starting time 22:15 hours. That means 24-hour clock is time is given. Then we can convert it into our 12-hour clock. That is 12-hour clock. It is 10:15 p.m. Please note 10:15 p.m. At 10:15 p.m. the bus starts from Bengaluru. Then reaches Kannur at 6:45 next morning. Next morning 6:45 the bus reaches at Kannur. You see, duration of time from 10:15 p.m. to 12 midnight. To calculate the time, first of all, we have to find out the time duration from 10:15 to 12 midnight. 12 midnight വരെയുള്ള സമയം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. 10:15 p.m. ശേഷം 12 midnight വരെയുള്ളത്. Then you see, this is 12 hours are here. Then 10:15. In the middle that I showed the 30 minutes, half an hour. Here 15 minutes. 10:15 the bus starts from Bengaluru. Then reaches we have to find the difference from here. Midnight, 12 midnight. 11 from 11 to 12 there is 1 hour. No, here 10:15 the bus starts. Then how much is here? 13 hours plus 15 minutes, 45 minutes. Then 1 hour. This 1 hour and 45 minutes. Then look here, 12 hours minus 10 hours 15 minutes. That means 1 hour 45 minutes. We can find the time using Mendel maths also. After 10:15 plus 1 hour 11:15. 11:15 plus 45 minutes, that is 12 midnight, 12 o'clock. Then up to 12 midnight from 10:15 there is 1 hour 45 minutes. See, that is 1 hour 45 minutes. Then after that we have to find the duration of time from 12 midnight to 6:45 in the morning. That is the same time. The new day starts then from 12 midnight now. Then after 6:45 hours, that is the time 6:45 a.m. That here time from 12 midnight to 6:45 is equal to 6 hours 45 minutes. Then total time we have to find out. This 1 hour 45 minutes plus 6 hours 45 minutes. We have to add both the time. Up to the 12 midnight time from 10:15, 1 hour 45 minutes. After that there is 6 hours 45 minutes. let us add the number. Total time taken is equal to 1 hour 45 minutes plus 6 hours 45 minutes. You add and find out. What will be the total time? 5 plus 5, 10, carry over 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 90 minutes, but you got. Then 6 hour plus 1 hour. 7 hours, 90 minutes. Here 90 minutes means we have to convert it into hour and minute. 90 minutes, 60 minutes 1 hour is equal to 1 hour. 90 minutes is equal to 1 hour. You take away 60 minutes from 90 minutes. You take it is 60 minutes from 90 minutes. Then how much? 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. Then total time is equal to 7 hours plus 1 hour plus 30 minutes. You add 7 hours plus 1 hour is equal to 8 hours. 8 hours 30 minutes. 8 hours 30 minutes. Did you get? We converted the 90 minutes into 1 hour. We took it 60 minutes and made it 1 hour. Then 30 minutes are left. Then we add that 1 hour 30 minutes to 7 hours. This 1 hour 30 minutes we added to this total number 7 hours. Then we got 8 hours 30 minutes. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. I will do another homework for you. I will write and give. Then next page number 36, you have to do one homework. That is, find the time from 9 one morning to 9 the next morning. How many hours? You can find out using a clock. Our sightseeing tour started at 9 one morning and reached the next day 9 in the morning. How many hours are there in between 9 one day 9 morning and the next day 9 morning? Page number 36, you do that. Okay, then let us complete the table. I will write the note and I will send you. Okay, now it is time to wind up our class. Be good, study well. Okay, thank you.